2023 Honda Odyssey, Speculation and Overview. 2023 Honda Odyssey Redesign. The Honda Odyssey is a mid-range family car that can be your best choice. When viewed from the side, the white Honda Odyssey is quite similar to the Toyota Alphard. This MPV doesn't have a fancy-looking exterior, but the interior looks pretty good. The 2022 Honda Odyssey was available in January 2022, even though 2022 is still far from that date. In addition, the information available at automobiles.honda.com is quite complete. So that we can easily find out the specifications and what is offered from the car, in this article, we will discuss the speculation and overview of the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Would you please listen carefully? 2023 Honda Odyssey First Expectations. Our first expectation for the 2023 Honda Odyssey is a more premium and luxurious looking exterior. So, this car can compete with other minivans in terms of beauty. The front of this car looks like the usual standard Honda car design. I think Honda should think of a new front design for the Honda Odyssey. Interior and performance do not appear to be a severe problem. We even like the interior of the 2022 Honda Odyssey, which looks quite luxurious and sophisticated. In addition, the performance of this car seems to be sufficient for the 2023 Odyssey. However, there may be a significant increase. 2023 Honda Odyssey trim levels. The 2022 Honda Odyssey is available in 5 trim levels: LX, X, XL, Touring, and Elite. The 5 have differences that are not too significant in terms of price. So, it looks like you won't be too confused in choosing the best trim for you to buy. I think 5 trims for the 2023 Honda Odyssey is also not a wrong choice. The amount of trim seems standard for several car models from various brands. Although it will be confusing, providing a sufficient amount of trim is also an advantage, which gives customers more choices. Maybe that's our expectation in terms of trim levels. Exterior design. As I said above, the exterior of the 2022 Honda Odyssey looks so classic, especially at the front of the car. In addition, if you choose silver, the traditional impression will be even thicker. That's why I chose the color white. What's more, the white color with the full name Platinum White Pearl is premium colors. The choice of roof rails and crossbars is something that should not be forgotten in this car. This choice of accessories can help you in carrying a lot of luggage when traveling long distances. We think the 2023 Honda Odyssey should have it too. Interior design. Unlike the exterior, the interior of this car looks luxurious and is also equipped with advanced technology. You and your family will certainly feel comfortable while in it. This car is designed very nicely for a family because it is family friendly. Sophisticated technology should also not be forgotten. Starting from some connectivity features, audio, and others you can use easily. Integration with Apple CarPlay registered and Android Auto trademark also makes it very modern. In addition, cabin control registered and Honda Link registered also make it easy for you to set up your Odyssey. In essence, these things are feasible for the 2023 Honda Odyssey later if it is made. Expected performance. After I compared the lowest trim, namely the LX, with the highest trim Elite, there was no significant difference in engineering. The factors that make the two trims of the Odyssey are pretty far apart are not the performance offered. We hope that every trim, especially the lowest and the highest trim, should significantly differ in terms of performance. The goal is that the highest decoration has a better selling value and feels more premium when owned. For this reason, the price difference that is far adrift is also considered feasible if it can be realized. 2023 Honda Odyssey price estimation. You can also see the MSRP at automobiles.honda.com. The MSRP for the 2022 Honda Odyssey starts at $32,290 for the LX trim, $35,690 for the X trim, $38,960 for the XL trim, $43,000 for the Touring, finally $48,020 for the Elite trim. If the 2023 Honda Odyssey gets a significant increase, the price increase of around $4,000 to $8,000 is worth it for the car.